Good afternoon, Viking Country, and welcome to Westhill High School. I'm Principal Rinaldi, and it is my pleasure to welcome you to Westhill High School, and I'm going to do my best to give you a virtual tour of our school. So, where am I standing right now? I'm standing in the front of our school, where virtually 90% of our students enter every day from the buses and from their cars to come into the building. And I stand out here every morning to greet our students, and I'm looking forward to doing that starting on September 8th. And so here we go. I'm going to show you around the school and do my best to give you the best tour possible under the circumstances. So, got to come at the camera. So, this is the front of our school here. And at Westhill we have two buildings. When you walk up, well actually, let me start this way. This is the front of the building where the buses pull in. And the buses pull in right here at this ramp. So that's the entrance down there. Buses come in. They come right up here on the ramp. Then come off the bus. Look, there's our school, Westhill High School. And you come up the stairs and enter the building this way. So when you come on up, you enter the building, you approach the building, and then, depending on where your first class is, you either enter Finch Building to your right, Rayner Building to your left, or, especially if you're a freshman, you would walk through these gates. They'll be open in the morning, and you walk to the freshman building, which you enter. I'll try to enter those doors right there, and this is our courtyard. Okay? So, that's the beginning of the tour. I'm going to stop it here and show you some other very important parts of our building. Okay, I'm back in the courtyard now. You just saw the freshman building. Obviously you didn't see all of it, but you saw the office area in the freshman building. And now I'm going to walk back through the courtyard a second time to take you to the gym, show you that, and hopefully our athletic director, Mr. Cerrone, will be in his office as well. So let's go check on that. So this is the foyer for our gym, and the girls' locker room is over there, and the boys' locker room and offices for the PE staff and the boys is over here. We are not using the locker room or changing for PE, at least for the foreseeable future. So that's some information for you. And here is our gym. And again, the floor in the gym is about to be stripped and waxed. And if I made this video on Tuesday of next week, it would look really, really nice. But listen, time is of the essence. So this is our gym. I'm just gonna shut off real quick while I walk over to the small gym and Mr. Cerrone's office, and I'll get back to you in a minute. Hang on. All right, so this is the freshman wing, guys. This is where we enter the freshman building, and as we walk around the school and I give you, more and more opportunity to see our school, just understand that we're still cleaning and getting classrooms ready. So you'll see furniture in the hall or rolled up carpets in the hall, but all of that will be obviously back in its place. So the freshman building also holds the registration office, and we're going to enter right here. And so here we go. So this is our registrar's office, and the office that holds some of our administrators, and this is where Miss Corbo sits. This is her area, and she is our registrar, and she is not here currently. She's probably having lunch. So now let's go down the hall. This is one of our psychologist's office. This is our dean's office. You're going to meet him tomorrow. And here we go. Hope he's ready. Ah, there he is. Mr. Ayala, how are you? Say hi to the freshmen.
Hi, freshmen. I'm Mr. Ayala. I am the 10th grade assistant principal.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you very much.
Welcome to Westhill.
Okay, there we go. Good job. And Mr. Rinaldi's on the phone. I'm just going to ask him to wave. I will just wave. There you go. That's it. So Mr. Rinaldi is the 9th grade administrator, and this is his office here.
Welcome to Westhill.
Thank you very much, Mr. Rinaldi. And let's keep going. So let's see. Where will I take you next? Okay, once again, I am entering through the front entrance, and I already showed you that to the left is the Rayner building. So we're going to go on over to the Rayner building, and I'll show you the office area. And so that's this way. And so here we are. This is Rayner office, and we have a full-time secretary in the Rayner office, and that's Miss DiNardo, and her seat is there. And this is where one of our assistant principals, Miss Obis's office is, and let's see if she's there now. We could say hi to her. And she is here. Hi, Miss Obis.
Oh, hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good
How
to
are
see you. And I'm just making our virtual video for our freshmen, so you can say hi to our freshmen and introduce
welcome.
yourself.
Welcome to Westhill. I'm Miss Obis. I am the administrator in charge of the 11th grader this year, as well as special education.
Awesome.
And the PBS staff, which is all your support services, psychologists and social workers, as well as the guidance department. So anything I can do to help, please don't hesitate.
Thank you, Miss Obis. See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, and let's see what else we can find. Okay, here we are. We're back in the freshman building. Let's see if Mr. Pereira is here today. Oh! Whoa!
Hello. Good morning,
Hello,
Mr.
Mr.
Rinaldi.
Pereira.
How are you?
How are you?
This is just a friendly reminder from your dean of students to always mask up.
Mask. Oh,
You're gonna have to
I
mask
like
up.
that. Very, very good. We'll say hi to
Okay.
the freshmen.
So,
This
you
is
take
Mr.
that off.
Pereira. Awesome.
How are you guys
Awesome.
doing? My name is Mr. Pereira. I am the newly reinstated dean of students at Westhill High School again. Very
Excellent.
happy about that.
There you go. I hear applause. I hear applause.
So, is this a Q&A?
No. Just to introduce yourself, and you are also responsible for attendance, of course.
Yep. Any and all questions, attendance related, any and all questions regardless. If you guys need me, I'll be out and about in the halls. Come and find me and we'll go ahead and talk.
Awesome.
Of course, at a socially distant, responsible length.
Awesome. Thanks a lot, Mr. Pereira. We'll
Guys, have
see
a
you
great
soon.
day.
Thank you.
All right,
Okay, it's a
bye-bye.
beautiful day, so let's go outside and let's check out our football field and our facilities outside. So, this is our stadium. So, this is where we hold, obviously, our football games, our field hockey games, and this is the back of the school, actually. So this is way down there. That's the back of the freshman building. This is the back of the gym. This is the back of the small gym. And our field, the actual name of our field, is the J. Walter Kennedy Field. Okay? And so, freshmen, that is the Purple Rock. So when our football team comes out to play, they do this. I'll show you right now what they do. They come up and they give a tap to the Purple Rock. You can see where the paint comes off, so they give a tap to the Purple Rock, and then they charge onto the field, and it's a lot of fun. So that's that, and now I'm going to walk around and show you our Agroscience building, at least from the outside. Okay, this is the small gym, or just what we call a small gym because it's smaller, and we're going to walk to see if Mr. Cerrone's here. He told me he had to, I don't know if he's here right now. Oh, he is here. Here we go. Let me let him know I'm coming. Look, it's through the window. Get ready, coach. All right. Let's go say hi to Mr. Cerrone. Just saying hi, sir.
Live?
Oh, we're live, man. Well, we're not live. I'm recording right now, so say hi to the freshmen.
Good morning, freshmen. Good afternoon, freshmen.
You are?
I am Mr. Cerrone. I'm the athletic director.
All right, guys. So for all of you who want to hopefully participate in sports and have that experience, this is the guy you need to see. This is Mr. Cerrone, and he is our athletic director, and he's ready to go. You ready to go, Coach?
We are ready to go.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate
See you
it.
guys.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. All right. Let's see what's next. Here we are with Miss Obis again, and we are entering the guidance suite. And you'll notice here that we have these QR codes up. And this year especially, we're asking everyone to make appointments with your guidance counselors. So when you come by, I know you know how to use QR codes, and that's what we're doing, right, Miss Obis?
Yep.
Okay, great job, thank you. And let's just go in very quickly and check out our wonderful guidance suite. And we'll say hi to, oh, hello, Miss Ochoa.
Hello.
Say hello to the
freshmen.
freshmen. There you go.
Hi, freshmen. ¿Cómo están? Buenos días.
And what do you do at Westhill, Miss Ochoa?
I'm the Department Head of School Counseling.
Yes,
so
you are.
I oversee our 11 counselors that we have here at Westhill.
Awesome, thank you very much.
And we look forward to seeing you guys.
Thank you, thank you. And this is also our career center. Some of our other counselors hard at work, getting ready.
What up?
Here we are, and there we go. All right, thank you, everybody. I'll also show you the baseball field. So this is our home dugout for baseball. And up there is the field, baseball field. And when we get closer, yeah, I'll go up here. So here's our baseball field. And so it's, you know, overgrown right now because our season was, obviously we didn't have a season. And when we get closer to the Agroscience building, I'll show you that. Okay. Okay, still walking down that same driveway. This is our softball field, everybody. And that beautiful truck there, which we were able to get a couple of years ago, that's our Westhill music truck, which transports all of our band equipment and all that other stuff. If our band competes anywhere, and it was a huge, wonderful acquisition for us. And so this is the Agroscience building for our Agroscience program, and this is the entrance for visitors. The entrance for students during the day is inside the building. Don't worry about it. Your Agroscience teachers will help you figure out how to get there. You go past the auditorium. I'll just show you that entrance at some point in this virtual tour. So, this is our Agroscience building. And this, by the way, I'll just give a shout out to a part of the program that's very important to the Rinaldi family. This is Doggy Daycare. This is the exit entrance for Doggy Daycare, and our dog Gus loves Doggy Daycare. I don't think we're gonna start with Doggy Daycare, so that's a bit of a bummer, but hey, we just have to roll with it. That's the reality. Okay, signing off. See you in a minute. Okay, I actually walked to the front parking lot. Just wanted to show you another one of our athletic fields. This is another field. When I went to school here, this was where the buses parked. But that's many, many, many years ago. Anyway, now it's a beautiful athletic field that we basically use for soccer and lacrosse for both our boys and our girls. So there you go. And then once again, this is the front of the building. And I'll just stand here and focus in. That's our flagpole. We installed that a couple of years ago. That's our victory flagpole. And if you've seen any of the posts on Instagram, also Facebook and Twitter, you know that we raise that flag to celebrate student achievement, whether that's athletics or academics or what have you. But we have a lot of fun raising the flag in the morning. So There we go. All right, let's see what's next. Okay, we have 2 cafeterias at Westhill High School, and one is called Finch. And this is Finch Caf. And so you'll notice right away that the cafeteria tables are stacked to the side, and we have student desks in the cafeteria because, at least for the beginning of this school year, we have to do lunch differently. So this is Finch Caf, and I'll show you Rayner Caf as well. Okay, this is Rayner Cafeteria, and they're right side by side one another. And so this is Rayner Caf, same setup. So it's going to be all grab and go meals, and students are going to sit at student desks. And we're also going to have to utilize some classrooms for lunchtime as well. And we're figuring it all out, and ultimately we'll be fine. Okay, those are the cafeterias. Okay, everybody, this is our media center. And it's a wonderful space. And what I love about our media center are the flags, because they've been there since I went to school at Westhill. And I don't know, just is a wonderful representation of our diversity in Stanford and at our school. And I've always just loved our media center. So this is our media center. And here is the main gym. So nothing like the start of the school year once the gym floor is refinished. Very exciting. A lot of fun sporting events take place in the main gym. Obviously basketball, volleyball, being those 2 main sports. And of course, PE classes are held in the main gym as well. So this is the main gym. Okay, class of 2024, that's it. Certainly a virtual tour is never as good as the real thing. But please know, when school starts, we're gonna do our very, very best to make sure that you find your way around the building. You'll be fine, trust me on that. So high school's about to start for you. It's a lot of fun. Obviously, right now, we have challenges that we've never had before, but we're gonna overcome that. You're gonna have a great time in high school. You gotta get involved in activities and sports and clubs. High school, though, is about the work. It's about finding your passion, finding what you wanna do, and then getting after it. So that when you're finished and you graduate in 2024, you have options so that you can live the life you were meant to live. This is it. High school's a big deal, but you're gonna be fine. You have everything it takes to be successful, and we're gonna make sure that you get there, okay? All right, that's it. And we will see you beginning on Tuesday, September 8th, if you're in the blue group, and then Wednesday, September 9th, if you're in the green group. If you're in Distance Learning Academy, you're with us as well, just a little different. We'll meet you when we meet you, okay? All right, that's it. You know how we end it, or at least the way I end it, right? Okay, go Hill. Peace, boom. Thank you.